Hello, today we're going to look at how to apply purl and check wires to this lovely bumblebee's back here, and we're also going to look at how to use chippings of wire to fill in his thorax here and give him that lovely bumblebee hairy look. So how do we go about using these wires? You can change the look of your bumblebees by the type of colour and the type of purl and check that you use. This one's got a longer, but I think this one looks like a wasp actually. This was my first one, so you know, you get better as you go along. I'm going to take this out of the hoop and I'm going to apply it onto my piece of patchwork here so that I can have bumblebees running through. And I look forward to seeing lots and lots of bumblebees in the future. We need more bumblebees in the world, so we'll add a few more of our embroidery. Thank you very much.